You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to remove or minimize annoying Android system notifications. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Find the specific system notification you want to stop, like phone is running smoothly or battery fully charged. Press and hold that notification until a menu appears. Tap on Turn off notifications. A settings screen will open for that specific notification channel. You can toggle off the switch to block all notifications from that category, or you can choose a less intrusive setting like silent to let it come through without sound or vibration. For broader control, go to Settings. Then Apps, tap the three-dot menu and select Show System Apps. Scroll to find the system app responsible, like Android System or Google Play Services. Tap on it, then tap Notifications. Here you can disable entire notification categories. Be careful not to disable critical alerts for security or system updates. For persistent notifications, you cannot turn off, like USB debugging. You can often minimize them by swiping them slightly to the side and tapping the gear icon to set them to silent. Some notifications, like those from the system UI, are essential and cannot be fully removed without rooting your phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.